The fool says in his heart, God does not exist. They are corrupt, and they do vile deeds. There is no one who does good. God looks down from heaven on the human race to see if there is one who is wise, one who seeks God.
As we know, we've done this many, many times. You know that I'm kind of agnostic.
Sure.
When you talk of God,
Yes.
who, what? Is that a person listening to you? Like my wife, she prays every night.
Sure.
She talks to Heavenly Father. To whom is she talking?
Well,
now, there's nobody up there. Come on, there's nobody up there.
Now every house is built by someone, but the one who built everything is God.